Hello, everyone, and welcome, and thanks for joining. There's going to be a point in your lives where you start writing high school level essays, or some of you might also even write college admission essays, right? And probably in the future, you can also be writing blogs for companies or articles for journals and stuff like that, right? So one of the most important things when it comes to writing such an article or an essay or some kind of book even is your introduction, right? It's got to be powerful, it's got to be meaningful, it's got to tell a story within itself, it's got to lay a context for what's about to come, and it's got to be something unique and interesting, right? Something that people do not know about or something that they don't agree with or agree with, right? So, but how to do all of this in just a couple sentences, right? It cannot be long because then you would lose the interest of your readers, right? Because the average amount of time for any reader or an admissions counselor or somebody on your website is just 10 seconds, right? So you get 10 seconds to make or break the situation because after that, the reader would just go elsewhere, right? So Lauren Horton, she's one of my friends, and she's published a lot of articles, for a lot of companies because she's known for writing a lot of unorthodox, uh, information, and she writes them beautifully as her own voice, right? So let's look at an example of what she has written for one of her college admission essays and the techniques she uses in her introduction. So while you're talking about your while you're filling up your application, you usually write about your academic achievements and your co-curricular activities, right? But what she wanted to do in her essay is to write about how she has achieved that process. She wanted to mention the process and the hard work that was involved in that story. So she begins with saying, "You have given me one more page to tell you about myself." That's a very commanding line. She's foreshadowing to her readers that, hey, there's more to know about me, and she's laying a context for her entire essay and saying that this is what you still need to know about me to make a decision, right? It is very unique in its own way because she's using in the next line, for example, she uses things like numbers. She says there are only 8 boxes, only 3 lines, just over 2 inches, and only one page. Look at the 4, 3, 2, 1. She's again using numbers to narrow down her scope, causing a strong emotion in her viewers or her readers, right? Saying that this was just so little for me to explain myself, right? Indirectly, she's also giving you a rhetorical question. She's saying that this is not enough for me, so hear me out, right? So next thing she does is that she uses things like metaphor and sarcasm to give a bigger impact to her readers, right? So she says to color in all the blank space, right? So she's using the metaphor to just talk about how she wants to let her admissions counselor make a decision on her. Additionally, she also uses sarcasm by saying, "I will just write one more page." The "just one more page" in the last line indicates that even now that she has just one more page, she's gonna try her best. So she causes again emotion with her readers, and she keeps the thrill and the adrenaline intact, right? She answers the question, why do the readers should read her essay, right? And one of the last things that she does is that she's very authentic in her approach. She has felt what she has gone through, and that is what she writes, right? So the reader is basically able to converse with your introduction and is able to make a mind map of what he or she is about to expect, right? So I'll leave you with this thought, right? So think of an introduction as a marketing tool, right? It is the point where you get your Apple iPhone, you look at the box, if there are pictures on it, there's like the charger and stuff, right? So, and think of it if it was coming in a Dollar Tree little brown box, right? It wouldn't still have the same impact on you. So your introduction is your marketing tool, which you have to have it as unique, concise, no complicated stuff, and use a lot of imagery, emotion, visualization, statistics to build your story. Thank you.